Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to send an email update on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the product, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and in the top right corner, we have the accounts and the store essentials in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send an email update on Payhip. So first of all, you need to go and click on the top side of the screen and click on customers. So click here, the last tab. Then click on the email updates. So we have, as you can see, customers, subscribers, email updates. Click on there. Then click on the new email update button. Choose which customer to send the update to. You can select all customers or just those who have purchased a specific product. Enter the subject and compose your message. If needed, add the download link to include a unique download link for each reception. Then use the send test button to send a copy of your registered email address to ensure everything looks okay. And then just click send email update. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. That will be everything, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.